Alright, so this tutorial is all about creating the word cloud for our major acrostic name poem project that's going to be at the end of the first quarter. So kind of went over that Friday, I believe, where we started the acrostic name poem process, which was this little website here. So if you didn't get this turned in, see the previous tutorial on how to get that turned in, because I'll be grading that soon. After you've completed this step, what we did was we started a PowerPoint presentation, and let's see if I have it up here. No, this is the wrong computer. I'll have to bring it up. On PowerPoint, we are making a slide for each one of those letters. So for me, if I were to bring mine up, which I will, patient, eccentric, tennis, educated, risk, there's going to be a slide for each one of those. There's a title slide. And today we're going to be creating the word cloud, which will have its own slide as well. So if we're in Google Classroom, we have this assignment right here, an actual assignment, which would be due tomorrow. And what I would do is I put the description right here, so I'll just read it. Using the attached website, you will create a word cloud which will be used for your ongoing acrostic name poem video project. The words you must include: required, okay, the word bullard, the word knight, your first name, your last name, and then the words that you found, those adjectives for your names. So for me, it was the words patient, eccentric, and so on. And then you're going to choose two more words that on top of that. So hobbies might be a good candidate for those words, or something more about you. Because the more words that you have for this particular website for the word art, or for the word cloud, the better. So what we can do is we can go to the website here, and what you guys are going to do is you're going to sign up. And since you'll be logged into your Google account, you can sign up using your Google account. And if you do that, it'll ask you which account, and your account will be in there. And I guess what I'll do is I'm going to do this one because I have some word clouds in there already. So one of the clouds that I've already made in the past was this one right here, which is kind of cool. What I did was I uploaded the Bullard shield, and then I put in, since I'm the tennis coach, this was back last year, and I put in Bullard and Knights and girls tennis, and I put in all the first names of my tennis players, and I changed the colors and the sizes, so that's why you can see Bullard and Knights is a different size and a different color than girls tennis. I made the only thing in pink. So you can change colors of different names, you can change sizes, you can change the way the angle is on a certain word if you want to. You can change the font. You can go over here and you can have words repeat if you want. So for instance, I unchecked these because I didn't want the word Bullard or Knights or girls tennis or 2016 to repeat, but all of the names I did. So you'll see that in here there's a lot of the names because you needed a lot of words to get this shield. So what you guys are going to do is a similar thing, but you're using those words that I described in the assignment plus two extras. And again, the more words you use, the better your word cloud is going to come out. So before you start, what you can do is you can pick shapes that are already on this website. They have some pretty cool ones already, so you can just filter through those and see if you like one. Or what you can do is add an image. So that's what I did to get that Bullard shield in there. So you can go find a picture that you like. So let's say you're a surfer and you want to go get a surfboard. Maybe that would be cool for you. And for now, I'm just going to do, let's pick one of these cute little creatures. Let's do this. Looks like a Twitter bird almost. So I'll do that. Oh, but first I don't want to change. What I want to do is I want to do a new one. So let me go back to home, and I'm going to create one. And then I'm going to pick my shape. So I'll go to shape, I'll pick the Twitter bird, and I'm going to throw some words in here. So I said Bullard. Let's see, can I put, if I go here and I press return, yes, Bullard, Knight, first name, last name, and I would put my words, so patient, eccentric, tennis, educated, risk, 2 more words, geek, video games, and I would actually put a few more words. And so again, I can go over here, I can change sizes if I want. I can change the colors that I want, or I can go random. I could do repeat or not. And if I wanted to see what it looks like just as I'm going along, I can do visualize, and it'll give you kind of a preview of what it's going to look like. So right now I've got this, so it's a good start. I can see some of the words. Some of them are bigger than others because I changed them. Right now it's just taking on the colors to make the bird look okay. If I wanted to mess around with the colors more, I could do that. Also, you can change fonts for different things. You can change the layout. So on this, it's just straight horizontal. If you start messing around with these, you'll get different effects, which is cool. So if I did this crossing horizontal vertical, it's kind of a different look. So you'll see that the words are actually going different directions, which gives it a different feel. Random is kind of cool to check out sometimes. So I want you messing around with these settings to get it just right for you. Colors and animations, again, that's for like the whole shape. I don't really mess around with the background color so much, but you guys can if you'd like. I'm more concerned with like making the words look good. Now once you're all done and you like the image, you're going to go over here to download and share. So you can save changes first so that you don't lose what you have, and then since you're not paying any money, it'll only allow you to download with this standard quality, which is fine. It turns out okay. So if I were to click on it, we'll see the final result right here, which is pretty darn good. So that's what we'll be doing today. If you need to refer back to this video to get you on the right track, that's fine. I'll have that on the assignment. And that's it for now. If you have additional questions, of course, I will be there for you. Have fun.